Hi, this is Rick Weinstein from Mimo Monitors. Today we're going to talk about our stretch displays, which are always the most popular product in our booth, but I feel after being on the market now for quite a few years, these products are about to become omnipresent throughout the world. The reason I feel that way is there's been some developments that have facilitated the price to come down appreciably on these products, where people will actually buy them now. When something is new, it often starts off expensive, and now it's going to be affordable. In addition to which, we're adding touch as well as Bluetooth. So the Bluetooth will facilitate the ability to do some things that really matter in retail. For example, being able to pick up a product and learn about that product on the screen will now be triggered using that Bluetooth. In addition, we are adding an interactive component to these screens, so there will be touch for those people who want to add interactivity and have the customers interact with the screens. Last but not least, there are two versions that you will have in the marketplace in general. One is an all-in-one with Android. The other are dumb displays, which are powered by the Android unit. You can daisy chain up to 6 displays using these stretch displays, and then you get a full 1080p template to use your content. So, of course, whoever's doing the creative will have to split it up to make it up based on how many screens you use. That is essentially what's new in stretch screens, and I'm Rick Weinstein from Mimo Monitors, www.mimomonitors.com.